Integrating PayPal Payflow. Pro allows your Shopify store to securely process credit card payments directly through PayPal. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Settings, then Payments. Scroll down to third-party providers and search for PayPal Payflow Pro. Click Activate or Connect to begin the setup. Enter your Payflow credentials, including partner, vendor, user, and password, which you get from your PayPal Payflow account. Configure any additional payment settings like accepted card types or transaction options. Once all details are entered, click Save. To ensure everything works correctly, preview your store and place a test order to confirm that PayPal Payflow Pro processes payments successfully. After saving, your Shopify store is integrated with PayPal Payflow Pro and ready to accept payments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.